master of my finances. I am the master of my finances.
Kami sa bahay ngayon. A little update.
Welcome to a back channel.
Hello, welcome to the vlog. Yes, we are in the car with Daddy and Ellie at the back and Pepe. Gustong umupo here with Mommy. Yan. Ngayon, sana ba? We're going out kasi we will have a time with the kids. So, magdi-date kami sa kanila. Kakain kami sa labas. Then, kasi pupunta kami sa SM, may may pop-up again na store si Deacon nila. Yung sister-in-law ko. So, magvi-visit din kami doon. It's Apex ata. So, ano yung tignan din ng Apex? To? Parang
Anime Pops Pop.
Anime Chanes
Pop exhibition.
Oh, maybe that. So, pupunta kami, yun. Tapos, we'll just eat out. Kasi our Achi is parang, not feeling well. We don't know why. So, parang labas lang for this one. Then, they will rest na naman. Kasi later, we will go sa church. Magpa-practice kami. Kakanta si Mommy. Si Daddy magpa-piano. Yan. So, yan. That's the, we'll bring you along kung saan kami makakapunta today. That is errands because every Saturday naman is our errands day. Itatry namin ipapasok ni Daddy yung mga dapat namin gawin. Diba? Hey guys! You're saying hey guys to them. Yeah. Oh, super Christmas. Let's show them. Tingnan nyo. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas. Kita ba? Wait lang.
And everybody,
There. Wow. Amazing. It's very cute. May Santa Claus na. Christmas na talaga. Valet. Achi, what did you say? Santa Claus cannot go to you because you don't have a chimney. Hala ka, Daddy.
maybe you just go to the door.
To the door.
He will knock on the door.
But do you think Santa Claus will knock? What will Santa Claus do?
If he see others sleeping, you say, quiet.
Yeah, what if we are sleeping? Who will open the door if he will knock?
Jaya Alvi.
No, because we don't have a chimney. So, how can Santa Claus give his gifts to you? Let's not just lock the door. Oh no, Langga, that's very dangerous. Maybe it's not Santa Claus that will go to the house, other people.
It will be Mang Jobert.
We cannot do that. Let's see what will Santa Claus do. Maybe Santa Claus have a robot so that he can go inside the house na. Correct?
He had the robot, but the robot had the key in the ear.
I'm not sure. Let's see. Or maybe Santa Claus will not give you gift. Laki ng problema mo, Langga. It's okay. No? Where will we eat today?
Wait. So when I open the door and I
Santa Claus has magic, Ellie. He can go inside the door without opening
Yeah. Wait lang, Achi. We will eat ice cream, but where will we have our lunch? Where do you want?
I like ice cream, but I like chocolate.
Yeah, I know. That's why we will go to
Oh, I remember.
your favorite ice cream here.
I like chocolate and strawberry.
But where will you eat lunch?
Where will we eat lunch?
Before eating ice cream?
Maybe where Daddy wants?
Process.
You show me. Okay, later we'll see where we will look, okay? You're happy na?
I'm looking for decor.
Oh, we will go straight to Dico?
If I'm finished with lunch, can I eat
Later na. Ice cream, yes, after lunch, okay?
And chocolate. Chocolate first and
Ka-follow siya.
We can look in the ice and eat it.
You want to take picture? There na daw sa side. Go, go. There a picture there, oh.
You go inside. Kamu man, mami.
Ah, ah. Go, go, go. Ellie, Pepe. Where do you want pasta? Wait lang, wait lang.
Wait lang, Faye, come here.
There di ka, ah? What time makadto si Shai? Mga tupa.
I am master of my finances. I am the master of my finances.
Uy, kasi is... Nami ang quality, ah.
Ang dami, ganito ulit.
Wala nami ang quality, Dad. What's your favorite? What did you see? Ayun na, it's cute. It's a wallet.
I can have money. Pick up.
Where's Evie? Oh, it's Evie. It's like... But you have a lot na, not that one. Ang cute kay Chopper. No, you don't need it langga. Later lang, later. We will look lang muna, okay? Look lang muna for now. Then we will think what we will buy, okay? Let's look lang first. You have pa their sticker, diba? Oh, let's show this to ano, sa master bag. You show to Manong Sayon. Because diba Manong Sayon have the small one. Bag lang. Yung master bag.
Mami, oh. Snack bag. Imagine na pinag-count sila sa mga ano nila dira.
How much? Sila dad. Achi, oh? But it has price, so you need to plus what you need.
But it's very expensive.
Achi! Baro lang. We share it. We share. It's a chister naman.
You sweet kiss. You sweet. What do you want? Chocolate na cone? Okay.
No, you don't know how to eat that one. You're messy.
How about one cone lang, then we share lang, ha?
Me?
Yes. So what do you want? Chocolate and then strawberry. What else pa? Belgian na lang.
I really like chocolate.
Wala man strawberry.
Ay, that's mixed berries.
Mixed berries, no?
Chocolate cone, mommy. I like
Okay, okay. Wait lang.
myself, daddy.
Nakuha ako. We're in the car again. Joke. Kasi ihatid namin yung mga kids sa bahay. Then kami ni Daddy, didiretso na kami sa church for our practice. Tapos, yung mga errands namin din namin gawa. Maybe we can do it later. After practice. So, madami-dami pa kaming gagawin. And this one is asking for M&M's. Oh, no. You need to get small lang. Ito one, you can, lang. Tapos, our Achi, our Achi is really sick. Talagang sleeping na siya. Yun.
Hello.
Kasi kanina pinilit niya lang talaga to go out with us kasi she really wants to eat ice cream daw. Saka mag-okay na diko niya. So yun, kaya nalabas siya namin, pero for now we need to let her rest para mas maka-recover siya, saka hindi mag-worsen yung dinaramdam niya. Hopeful. Yan. And nagsa-start na mag-traffic. There's a lot of cars outside. Gabi pa, holidays na talaga. Kasi kami sa bahay ngayon, a little update. Much better na yung setup kasi dumating na yung bagong namin, helper. Yung kunento ko in my last vlog na helper namin dati, tapos nag-contact ulit sa amin na mag-work ulit. So we have 2 na in our house. So literally marami na kaming help na nakukuha. So sobrang mas maaliwalas ng bahay kasi nakakapaglinis na. Then ako din, even with my work ngayon, yun nga, nagsa-start ako with my new position. Pero how can I say this? Iba talaga mag-work if you are enjoying what you are doing. So much better din siya sa akin. Iba yung effect, lahat ng yun, because I'm the one na really starting the group. So kahit yung process niya, doing the work instruction, lahat yung pag-build up niyan, hanggang sa magkakaroon ako ng team on that one. So parang po duty siya, I really enjoy it. Na hindi ko ine-expect na at this level of my parang sa work ko or my career na yun nga, ma-enjoy ko yung ganyang kind of parang work. Tapos yung parang project management siya. So, wala lang. I'm so blessed na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na Lord. Parang na-amaze lang kami ni Daddy kasi thinking, I thought talaga, parang, syempre, nung last time, diba, we're planning na baka mag-resign, lahat ng yun, kasi nga dahil sa situation sa bahay, time with the kids, pero, grabe, parang naging lang namin ni Daddy talaga na to be more aware sa gusto ni Lord. So every step of our of the way, parang lahat ng mga decisions namin before we make drastic decisions, inaas namin kay Lord. Tapos yun, parang being, ano ba yun ang term that? Yung conscious ka or ano ka na, naghihintay ka kasi God will give parang direction or guidance, parang ganun, kung paano namin i-move forward yung family. So, and here we are now. It's just so amazing talaga. So, yun, we are very grateful. Honestly, there are still a lot of changes. Ngayon naman, yung bago honestly is with the ministry we have sa church. Saka, nandoon na naman kami na part na really waiting for the Lord kung anong gusto niyang gawin namin. Especially with our daddy. So, there's a lot of parang opportunities na nag-open or let's say, ino-offer kay daddy. Pero we really don't know kasi we need to consider na ma-prioritize pa rin namin yung time namin with the kids. This is the last one na. Okay? I will give you the last 4.
Too much love.
Okay, no more na. I will keep na. Okay? Then you drink water. Kaya you will cough na naman. Diba? Remember, you're coughing very hard. So, that's the last one. Then, drink water. So, yun siya. Wala lang. We are so blessed. Kahit ako din, parang we're in that part of our life right now. Parang, ano pa ba? Tested and proven mo na sa Lord. Parang, there's just simple reminders every day na to just fully trust in Him. So, siguro, yan talaga siguro yung parang that really help us as a family right now. Here na sa church, nagpa-practice na kami. Pero si Mami, ninenervyos. I know na kumakanta ako, but that was very, very long time. And I don't know why I'm singing right now. hindi na ako sanay na to be in the crowd. I just want to be at the backstage. Woo! Ay naku, Lord. Sige lang, para kay Lord daw, para kay Lord. Si Daddy din naman ang magpapiano.
Yun.
Why are you smiling? Why are you so happy? Kakurug-kurug. Hello! Wow, they are drinking milk.
And look what is my milk. It is white.
White?
Feifei is brown milk.
Yes, because Feifei have chocolate flavor.
Why but make like that?
Yes.
What flavor?
Why do you want to drink milk na at night?
But at school I want to drink milk too in school. I get milk. How many?
You need to drink it fast.
Mommy, what?
Oh, pop, you will fall down.
No, I just gonna.
Pretend? That's not pretend. You will fall down.
What is I just gonna slowly lang.
Slowly lang. Okay.
Like that lang. I pretending I'm cha-cha.
That's Daddy's plate later because Daddy is sleeping pa. How about the other baby? The other baby is also drinking milk? Ah, Dede. That's Dede. She also wants to join. Also wants to join your sisters.
No, don't drink my milk.
Okay, go na. Finish. What? She's finished na. Nako, Feifei will stay here. Hala. Go na, finish na. Many, drink many.